Hi, this is Dr. Tess Mauricio, America's favorite dermatologist, here at M Beauty by Dr. Tess in San Diego. Today we're going to talk about how to apply alpha hydroxy acids or AHA under your eyes. Alpha hydroxy acid is more commonly known as glycolic acid. It's in a lot of products and it's a favorite of people because it helps exfoliate, it helps with fine lines, with crepiness, and so people are always tempted to put it around the eyes. But let me teach you how to do it right so that you don't get irritated. So just try a little bit, Lisa. Good, and just put a tiny bit. The key is really not to over apply. Just you can put a little bit of it in the under eye area, not too close to the eye because it can sting. Remember, it's an acid, it can sting. And so avoid the eyes and not too close. And a lot of people overuse it. If you have sensitive skin, you may only tolerate it like 3 times a week, just once a day, 3 times a week. Some people want to use it twice a day, 3 times a day. And if you have sensitive skin, it will be too much. You'll get irritated, you'll get red, you'll get peely. So that's really enough. You don't need a lot. More is not necessarily better. More can cause irritation and can actually harm the skin. I'm Dr. Tess Mauricio, America's favorite dermatologist, here at M Beauty by Dr. Tess. And that is how you apply AHAs under your eyes. And remember, we should be beautiful inside and out.